Best and worst sleeping positions for muscle, back and chest pain. Getting a good sleep is one of the most important requirements for overall health, right behind proper nutrition. If you don't get enough sleep, your brain won't function properly. You will gain weight and overall your body will just start to break down. Despite this, 40% of Americans don't get the recommended amount of sleep, leading to many of the health problems that the average person faces today. There are many factors that can dispute the person's sleep, including their lifestyle, diet, and genetics. However, one commonly overlooked factor is the way to sleep, specifically the positions our body is in during sleep. This is why I am going to show you the best positions for getting a good sleep. On our back. Sleeping on our back is the best position for getting comfortable good night sleep. It allows your head, neck and back to stay aligned so your spine can remain the neutral position throughout the night. This will make sure that you don't wake up with uncomfortable neck or back pain. It also ensures that there is no extra pressure on your chest and back, allowing for optimal breathing during sleep. Aside from helping with your breathing and protecting your spine, sleeping on your back can also help prevent acid reflux. This is because your head is relevant to these positions, meaning gravity will keep your stomach acids from jumping into the esophagus and burning your throat. On your side, although sleeping on your side is not good for the neck area of your spine as sleeping area of your back, it can help with snoring and sleep apnea in ways that sleeping on your back cannot make it the second best option. However, sleeping on your left side can put pressure on your internal organs such as liver, lungs and stomach, while sleeping on your right side can cause heartburn. While sleeping on your side, it is important to make sure that your pillow is at a height which allow your neck to be level with your back. This will help to prevent from straining your neck and the pain that come with it. Fetal position. Although it's not the worst position to sleep in the fetal position can still cause a lot of joint and muscle pain and should be avoided. Many people tend to choose these options because of the comfort associated with it. After all, it is the positions we were born in. Despite how comfortable it may be, sleeping in the position can put a lot of strain on your neck and knee joint. This is especially true if you are actually tracking your chin and knee onto your chest. This basically means you are sleeping on your side with your back curled into a ball, making this one of the worst positions in terms of spine health. On your stomach. Sleeping on your stomach is by far the worst position possible. What's even worse is that this is a very common sleeping position, right behind sleeping on your back and on your side. That's the fact that you are lying on your stomach means that your body is not supporting the nature curve of your spine. Although if you tend to use a large pillow or more than one pillow, it can put a lot of pressure on your carnival area of your spine, which can lead to a neck pain and other more serious issues. Sleeping on the stomach also put pressure on your rib cage, which can restrict your breathing. It can cause you to wake up due to the chest pain and shortness of breath. Your mattress, the type of mattress you have, can play a huge role in your sleeping position. Even if you are lying on your back, if you have a mattress that is too cushioning and cause you to sink into it, then your spine will not be in the natural position. The best type of the mattress is one that provides enough cushioning so that you do not feel pressure on your spine when you are lying down, but is firm enough so that it does not affect the shape of your spine during sleep. Thank you.